Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can mark customer or sales invoices as paid on ClearBooks. To mark invoices as paid, we need to go to sales and our invoice list. Invoices that have outstanding or haven't been paid yet are under this unpaid section. And I can see that there is Anna L invoices quite late for a payment. So to mark this invoice as a paid because she have paid to me, I can click on manage and click on payment. From here, click add payment, and we will need to provide details for received funds. So Anna paid me into my cash, so I have a petty cash, she paid in cash to me. Amount, she paid me £85. Payment method, I will select as a cash in my case. Accounting date was to date, and if there is different bank date, you can select bank date as well. Description, invoices paid. I select your description, okay, and click confirm. Now I have £85 which I need to allocate to Anna's invoices, and in my case there is two invoices for £30 and £55, which balancing to 85, and these are the two which I want to mark as paid. If you want to allocate this 85 to any other of invoices, just remove information there, select which ones you want to mark as paid, and click on allocate. Now if I go to my invoices, and if I look at unpaid section, the two Anna's invoice for 55 and 30 has disappeared. And if I go to paid section, I can see both Anna's invoices here as marked as paid now. They're in paid section. So in this episode, I showed you how you can mark invoices as paid on ClearBooks accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my ClearBooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.